Hello nurses, you are watching Scientific Medical Nurse YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about RGUHS Applied Sociology most important questions updated video for 2026-27. 100% question will be coming from this video only. As you can see the proof, my previous important questions video at right this time frame you can check. I was listed these all questions and the same questions as appeared in RGUHS exam. As you can check the question paper date and video uploaded date. All of my predicted questions has appeared in exam. So this time also my predicted questions will 100% come in RGUHS exam. So without delay, let's start the video. So firstly, let me introduce myself, Pradeep Unison. I am a BS Nursing graduated and currently working nursing tutor in one of the RGUHS affiliated college in Bangalore. With my 2 years of experience, I can predict or guess what type of questions will be asked in upcoming RGUHS BS Nursing exam. Since from 5 years, I am regularly uploading RGUHS Nursing important questions and all of my important questions has appeared in RGUHS Nursing exam. As you saw the proof already. So based on RGUHS previous data, previous question papers and as best of my knowledge, I have prepared and listed these all RGUHS applied sociology important questions on unit wise to get RGUHS applied anatomy, physiology and psychology 2026 updated important questions and RGUHS nursing solved question papers and RGUHS nursing exam tips and tricks for BS nursing first sem students, and all of these BS nursing first sem videos you can watch with the link in the description. So now the sociology important questions are listed based on the unit wise and based on 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks. So firstly we have long essay part unit wise questions, after this short essay, short answers, and lastly I also prepared MCQ questions. So watch this video completely. Skipping this video can directly affect your scoring marks in exams. So watch this video without skipping and also don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also visit my official website to get all BS Nursing notes, study materials just for free with high quality notes and RGUHS nursing solved question papers. So don't forget to visit that website after watching this video. So keep watching this video without skipping single question. 100% questions will be coming from this video only. So please watch the video. So watch the video completely to get high marks in your RGUHS nursing exam. Okay.